Hi guys, welcome to this session on Microsoft PowerPoint. In this module I want to show you how you can create your own theme and have it appear on here under the Design tab. So you can see there I've got one already which I've created previously, but I want to create a new one on this PowerPoint slide. So first of all, let's do a color. Nothing special, so I'll just go, I'm on the Design tab, so I'll just go to the end, Format Background, and do a gradient color scheme. Not that one, just change this to blue or something, and just pull that back a little bit, and then do that to a different color, green. Alright, so let's say that's how I want my color scheme to be. Now I've got a logo there, you can see that's on my default slide. Now to put that on a theme, what you do is you go into View and then Slide Master, and then up to the top, so that's where it is. So the logo is there, and I basically put that on the top one so it cascades through all of these. So the logo is just in a picture, I've just inserted the picture in there. But what I want to do is, in this theme, if I put the animation on there, that will cascade through all of these slides, but I just want to animate this type of slide, so I'm not animating that title slide, this slide. I want to animate this so these come in individually. So I'm going to the Animations tab and Add Animation, and I'm going to select Dissolve In, Entrance Dissolve In. It's my favorite. And then I want to change that so they're all coming together as level 1. So I need to go onto the animation pane and drop the arrow down at the end there and go into effect options. Now you have got effect options there, but you don't have as many options as what you get in here. So first off, I want to use don't dim, so I'll go that color. So when it loses focus, when one of these levels loses focus, it will go to that color. And then text animation, and this will also have chart animation, and whatever diagram you've got, it changes depending on what you've got, but we're on text, so it's showing text. Level 1 is where it's on at the minute, everything comes in together. If I only had 2 indents, or 1 indent level, that would be level 2, level 3, level 4, etc. So I always tell people, put it to level 5, then if you add any extra levels later on, it would automatically pick it up. Click OK to that. That's what it's going to look like in full screen. Once you've done that and you're happy with that, you can go back to the Slide Master, close the Slide Master. You've got your color scheme, you've got your logo. This is a terrible color scheme, by the way. Red and green should not be seen. And now I want to add this as a theme to be on the top here. So you drop the arrow down. So you click on Save Current Theme. Then it will ask you to give it a name. I'll just call this Test 3, 2 even, and then Save. So now you've got up on the top there Test 2, and if I do a new file, Control N, go to Design, you've got Test 2 that you can apply. Now what you can also do is drop this list down again and browse for themes that you may have from an older version of PowerPoint, and then once you get them onto the screen, you can then save them and they will appear here so you don't lose it. And if you want this to be your default, so this is my default, this one, white but with the logo on. If you want that to be the default, what you do is you right click on the theme, and then you can set this theme, the one you've just done, as a default theme. So if I do that, and then when I do a new file, it's already there as a default. And if I just go back and put my one back to default, set as default, and then do Control N again for new, there it's back to default. So you do your design, you set the animations you want, you save the theme, and then you can set the theme to be the default theme if you want, and that's how you do it. So that's a very quick look at how to save a theme in PowerPoint. So hopefully that was of use, and I will see you on the next one. Thank you for your time.